Hi, Mark Donovan here from HomeAdditionPlus.com. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the line in a Husqvarna weed trimmer. So what I'm going to install for replacement line on my Husqvarna weed trimmer is actual titanium force Husqvarna plastic line. It's 0.095 inches thick or 2.41 millimeters. It comes in a 100-foot roll. Typically only put on about 18 feet at a time on the assembly for the weed trimmer. So I'm going to show you how to do that now. So the first step is removing the bottom portion of the head from the trimmer unit. So there's two buttons here, one on this side and another one 180 degrees apart. We just press in with our thumb and finger and pull down, and that unit comes off, and then the spool comes off. And we'll actually wind up winding the new thread or line around this spool. So next we're going to take the ends of the line, put them together, and then just pull them straight evenly till we get to the end where we have a loop. We're going to take this loop and we're going to look at the surface of the spool and see which way to rotate this line on. And what we're going to do is we're going to put that loop notched into the spool, and we're going to rotate, per the arrows that you see here, this line evenly between the two halves of the spool. And we're just going to kind of hold it snug and firmly and just continue to work our way around like that. We want to make sure that we're not like bundling it up. We want to kind of make sure we have nice even trails of it as we wrap it. This way it won't get jammed up and won't inadvertently not release when we kind of tap on the button there at the bottom to pull out additional line. Alright, once we've done that, we're just going to basically, for the moment, just put one piece here, and we're going to hold the other one here, and we're going to mount this in the weed trimmer itself. And now, while holding on to the line with the spool, we're going to put the tread side of the spool into the bottom or the base of the trimmer. I'm going to unrelease this wire here. I'm just going to push it up and in and kind of still keep some tension on these lines. We're then going to take the bottom portion, slide it up in place. Not going to clip it in yet. Then we're going to position the lines, one so that it goes into this channel where the line spools out, and one in the other channel for the other side. Hopefully you can see that. There we go. And now all we have to do is just push this up, lock it in place. And you can just kind of pull on these, and we'll trim this one here so it's even length. Now we're going to give it a shot. So we're just going to take a pair of dikes and trim this side of the line so it matches the other one, and we're going to fire up this weed trimmer and see what we've got. So that's all there is to putting on replacement line on a Husqvarna weed trimmer. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification button so you get notified on my next video.